Here is how we can delete the suggested contacts on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it works. And if this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely hit the subscribe button so you'll that way never miss anything. Now, if you don't like that whenever you tap on share, some suggested contacts appear, we can turn it off by going to the settings, of course, and there you can scroll just a little bit until you find the Siri section or the Apple Intelligence and Siri, whatever it looks on your device. But then that way you have to scroll to the suggestions, and a couple of different suggestions and toggles are present here. But the one we are interested in is the show when sharing. So the Siri suggestions are kind of like are supposed to know what people or which ways you use your phone and which people you talk to, and whenever you click on a share literally anywhere, it's going to suggest those contacts, which is fine or whatever, but you may not like it, so that is where you can turn it off. And also, you might want to reset the hidden suggestions. So, if you have been using it for a while, you can kind of reset the suggestions in here. So that is how you could technically do it. And let me know if you managed to find it and if it worked on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next quick tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later.